Hi there, Chris Mitchell here from Chris Mitchell Marketing. I'm actually making this video to showcase a client website that we built recently for our client over at Associated Rack Corporation. Now, they're a custom tooling and manufacturing company located in Mount Juliet, Tennessee, and they have about 9 locations across the United States. Well, they came to us a few months back looking for some help with their website. Their website was really old and outdated. It was non-mobile responsive. It needed a lot of work. It had a lot of lack of content. There's really no clear direction on the website as to where to go, what to do, or how to get more information, or how to even request a quote. So we basically sat down with Associated Rack Corporation and started asking them a bunch of questions about their goals and their needs for the website, what kind of behavior they want users to take when they land on the site, and just really get a really solid foundation and a really good understanding of their website, and of course their business and the solutions that they offer, so that we can help users get to what they're looking for quickly and easily. So they had a few requirements they wanted, but they kind of gave us some the ability to use our own creativity here. So we created a really good strategy. We come up with a really good page goal strategy, basically designed around what actions they wanted users to take. So the main thing they offer is they offer products and they offer services. So what we did is we actually prioritized things in terms of what's most important to them and what's least important to them. And then we basically put together this slider. They specifically, one of their requirements was they wanted this slider. They love sliders, and they wanted us to do a really beautiful slider for what I like to call the hero section, or the above the fold content of the website. And this basically just is the goal of the above the fold section is to drive users to where you want them to go. So typically most people who come to the site are looking for their services. They may need some custom fabrication work done, and then also clients are looking for products as well, but their number one priority was to drive traffic to the services, which is why the number one slider, the first slider you see, this one right here, is actually designed to drive traffic to their services. It says we're custom tooling experts. These are the industries we work in. Here's the button to click to go to where you can read more about our services. So I'll let it cycle back one more time back to the beginning, and then we'll click over there and I'll show you exactly what is on that page. So as you can see, it's back to slider number 1. I click on the View Our Services button, and it takes you down to the services. So the reason we did this is because we're using custom post types to display these services here, but it actually helps users get to it a little bit quicker. Instead of having to load a whole new web page and render that entire page, we have it linked to a section of the home page where it immediately, when you click the button, it scrolls to that section a lot faster than it would take if you were sending them to another page. So nothing wrong with sending users to another page, but in this specific scenario, with them having the services on the home page, we just utilized what was there and linked directly to that to get them there quicker. So they can immediately, within these services, quickly find what they're looking for, whether they're looking for custom CAD drawings or some on-site repair. They can click over to that service and read more about that service and see some of the images related to it. So they can download the finisher's handbook and the product catalog, and of course quickly and easily call the sales department. And at any time on the website, we made it super easy for users to be able to request a quote. So we've got this get a quote button. It stands out. It's their pop color, so it stands out from the rest of the orange on the website. And from any page, this sticky menu will scroll down the page wherever they're at, and they can easily request a quote. So let's go back to the home page, and you can see more of the content that we have on the home page. And we strategically designed this home page, again, around their goals, what they wanted users to do so that they could have a really good user experience, users who get to what they're looking for really quickly. That way they don't abandon the site and go to the competitor's website. You want users to find what they're looking for quickly and easily. So if we scroll down a little bit further past the services section, you'll see these are the industries they specialize in. So typically when people come to the site, we did a little bit of research and tried to really get in the mind of their users and their visitors on their site, and try to really understand, like what types of people are coming to the site. So we found that a lot of people coming to the site are specifically looking for solutions in these industries. So we created these custom icons to convey that they work in these really specialize in these industries. They'll do work in any industry just about, but these industries specifically are what they really specialize in. And that really helps set them apart from their competition, because when people come to look at this site, they see they're experts in these specific industries. And then again, there's a request a quote form right there, so they can request a quote quickly and easily. They can even upload files, or they can, if they don't want to fill out the form, they can call the phone number. And this is, of course, mobile responsive as well. When you click it on a mobile device, it opens the keypad immediately, so they don't have to exit the browser and then go type in the phone number from memory. It just provides for a better conversion rate, and they're going to get more leads with a clickable phone number on mobile devices. So that's something we implement with anytime we have a phone number on our website. We make sure that it's clickable and that users can click to call quickly and easily. And then we have the Why Choose Us section. This is basically just some highlights of why Associated Rack is the best in their industry, and why their solutions are the best they offer in their industry. And it talks about a little bit about how long they've been in business, and some of the solutions they offer, and again, what sets them apart. And of course, at the bottom, this is their quote. The founder of the company, Ed Fallman. Actually, this is one of his famous quotes, so they wanted to implement this into the site. So we did that, and we found a custom font to create this signature that you see here. And then, of course, now we have the footer. This is basic contact information. So again, once they've reached the bottom of the page, they can easily contact Associated Rack. If they click the phone number, again, on mobile, it will open the keypad, and they can call right away without having to memorize the number, exit the browser, and go and type it in. It can be very frustrating if you don't have that click to call function. So again, we make sure that we implement those sort of things. So every little aspect like that counts in a website in terms of conversion rate and user experience. Have a really good user experience. You don't want users to get frustrated trying to find what they're looking for when they're on your website. So, and then of course, in the bottom we have, it's pretty self-explanatory. We have the About section, just a little short spiel about what they do. And then these are links to their products and services. I actually already showed you the product and service post types. These are the archive pages for the products and services. It's just a basic page that shows all of the products and all the services, like in a grid layout. And you can see right here, you just hover over those and it takes you right to that service, or product. So we have things broken down in categories. We utilize the custom post types that are already here for displaying both their products and their services. So if we go over here, you can see the frequently asked questions. And this is just like a little accordion type deal. It's really clean looking. Again, it's mobile responsive, as is everything on this website. You just click the little icon and it expands, and it shows some of the frequently asked questions. This actually is helping save them some time, some customer service time, having to explain things because it's already explained right here on the website. So we're really big about helping companies like that. Any way we can help you save time, we know that we're putting more money in your pocket, because time is money. So I actually skipped this one tab. I apologize. Let me go back to the About page, and you can see we've implemented. Of course, we have the what makes a special section. It just shows about how many projects they've created and how many years they've been in business, and that they're devoted to client success. And then this is their video. We didn't actually produce this video. We can We can assist if you need videos, like a professional video created. We can assist you in setting that up and having somebody come out and shoot video and editing and all that. But they actually already had a video before they came to us, so they wanted us to integrate this into the website. So we got access to their Vimeo account, and we put in the video there. So that, it's just a little about video about Associated Rat Corporation, and of course, a little bit more information about what they do and what they specialize in, and why they provide best solutions to their client problems. A little bit of a history about the company, again, a little quote, their capabilities, and then a request a quote form with a quality logo at the bottom, of course. And then there's the contact page. This just is basically a page that shows the different locations, and actually shows a form to fill out where clients can request a quote. So you can fill out this form, or you can call. There's the address, there's the email, the working hours, and then you've got all the different locations and a map for each one. So if somebody wanted to, say one of their clients wanted to drive out and look at one of their facilities, they can easily find that on the map right here. And we actually did some modification of their logo a little bit for these map icons. So they actually already had a logo when they came to us. We did have to modify it a little bit to make the light version of the logo. So we put it in Photoshop, modified it so we would have a light version for the dark footer, and then we also made this version of the logo for the map. So we do logos from scratch. We do multiple different concepts. Let you choose from the concept, and then we do the revisions to your satisfaction, and then we move forward on the remaining branding. But they actually already had a logo, so we just took what they had and kind of tweaked it to meet our needs and to look really great on the website. So that's one more thing. The get a quote button, it goes to a page of its own to request a quote. We did a little bit of Photoshop work here for this background image to position this guy strategically. So he shows right here on desktop, but on mobile it does not show, because you obviously wouldn't want the text on top of this guy, because it would be really hard to read if that was the case. So on mobile this does not show, and it just it's optimized to where it only shows the request quote form. Those are things that are really attention to detail type things. A lot of people don't really pay attention to those specific details, but we curate and modify the content to look good across all devices. I mean, we don't want it to just look good on desktop. We also want it to look good on tablets, smartphones, and other mobile devices, because a lot of people now use mobile devices more than they do their desktop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a manufacturing or industrial type website, or any website for that matter, feel free to check out our website. I'm going to put a link below this video to the case study we did for Associated Rat Corporation, so you can read a little bit more about the project. And feel free to check out our other case studies on our website. There's a lot of information there about how we've helped clients achieve great results online, just simply by redesigning their website and making it more effective at converting their existing traffic into more leads and sales. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, share, and comment on it below, and click the link below to check out our website. And if you need a quote or anything like that, just fill out the form on our site, and we'll get in touch with you within roughly 24 to 48 hours.